Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The AG. Are you worried to buy sweets from sweet shop for this Diwali? Then this recipe is for you. You can prepare this yummy and delicious choco burfi at your home very easily, and this is no fail recipe. Even beginners can prepare this recipe very easily. To prepare choco burfi, take a pan, heat it on low flame and add 1/4 cup of milk. To 1/4 cup of milk, I added 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Mix well until powdered sugar is well melted in the milk. When it is melted, add 1 cup of milk powder. Mix well without any lumps. Mix continuously so that it doesn't form any lumps. Then add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Here ghee is added for extra lubrication and your choco burfi comes out perfectly. The texture of choco burfi is also very smooth. You can also skip the ghee, but I recommend to you to add ghee. This gives very good texture to a choco burfi and it is very gooey and delicious. So mix well until ghee is well absorbed in our mixture. So if you could see, the milk powder and ghee are well absorbed and it has formed a single dough-like consistency. Now you have to keep the flame on low and stir continuously. Do not put on medium, or else if it burns, the entire taste of the sweet goes off. If you could see in the video, this is the perfect consistency required. Our dough become very flexible. Now make into equal portions with the help of a knife. Our base burfi mixture is ready. Now make 2 equal portions with the help of a knife. Grease the knife so that it doesn't stick to the knife. Here I made 2 equal portions of burfi. Separate one mixture and keep it aside. Now into other portion of the burfi mixture, add 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder and mix well. Here add 1 teaspoon at once and mix gradually. When 1 teaspoon of cocoa mixture is well mixed, then add other teaspoon of cocoa powder. Since it is chocolate burfi, I am adding cocoa powder. Use good quality of cocoa powder for nice chocolate taste. After you mix it for 2 to 3 minutes, cocoa powder is well combined with the burfi. Our chocolate burfi mixture is ready. Now we are good to set our burfi. So, take a square bowl where you want to shape this burfi and add a butter paper or a plastic sheet. If butter paper is not available with you, you can also add a plastic sheet. Now place this chocolate burfi mixture and spread evenly. Press gently and spread it evenly. Now add chopped almonds or chopped cashews or any dry fruit of your choice. Now layer it with plain burfi mixture and spread evenly. Now our burfi is ready. Close the lid of the container and refrigerate it for 10 minutes so that it is very easy to cut our burfi into desired shape. This burfi tastes exactly like our sweet shop style chocolate burfi. If cocoa powder is not available, you can directly set the base burfi mixture and follow the procedure as shown. If cocoa powder is not available, you can also prepare plain burfi. If you could see, our delicious yummy choco burfi is ready. Cut it into bite-sized portions and decorate it with pista or any dry fruit of your choice. That's it, your yummy and delicious choco burfi is ready at your home. I hope you'll enjoy this Diwali preparing this choco burfi recipe. If you do prepare this recipe, please tag me in Instagram. I'll be linking my Instagram account in the description box below, and please let me know how this recipe turned out to you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Once again, wish you very happy and prosperous and safe Diwali.